Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mr. M with you today. Let's talk about my channel again. Lately, a couple of weeks, I've been making videos regularly, but it takes time to edit. So I've been posting a bit late. So post regularly, even videos related to other stuff, the things I like, the things I do, the things I repair. I have curiosity, a lot of things. Some things, yes, I am not that curious, but some things may intrigue the inner child in me, especially when someone repairs things. When someone is planting a sapling, I'm interested. Someone is cleaning their air conditioner unit, I'm interested on it. Someone is washing car, I like to watch it. I think I learn from this because I believe that if you want to be somewhere in life, you'd always be learning. Don't always stick or glue to your phone screen and think that okay, online teaches you everything. Sometimes online doesn't teach you everything. You just watch and you believe that you could do this. Unfortunately, you can't, because unless you practice that thing or do it yourself, you can't. If someone is washing his car very beautifully, nicely, cleaning it in the right places, and you don't do it, you just watch it, how would you apply this to your real life? So always watch and learn, see what others are doing. Maybe they are doing it good, great. Maybe there is a better way to do it. Try to improve things. Even my wife was suggesting me, keep your channel much more wider so more people would watch it and know about things you love and do. Maybe you could do a DIY hack and someone wants to know about it. So I was like, am I that expert? If he says I would do it. So here I am. I would add more videos of different content. Yes, there would be something related to money, of which is my forte, and I love when it comes to saving and making money. I always try to think about ways to save money, ways to not waste money also. Saving money is not like someone who is miserly. Wasting money is also the similar thing. When you waste money, at times behind the scenes you are wasting resources. If you start your faucet with high pressure, most of the water is overflowing outside. This is not only wasting money, this is wasting resources, and I am totally not supporting it. I have a secret habit that I always go to places where I see the water is really high pressure. I reduce it so the flow is much more controllable and normal. It's me. This is what I do because I feel saving is good. Saving money, water, electricity, resources, and because why waste it when you have it? And always remember, some would say someone else is paying for it, like a resource. Let's say you go to a mall, the electricity is on or water is being wasted. You think, okay, it's free. As I said to many people, I will tell you the thing: in this life, there is nothing free. Nothing and nothing. Whatever you do has a cost. At times someone is paying for it, or at times you are paying for it. Someone is paying it upfront, and after many months or years you are going to pay the cost because of your start. There will be always a group say, what is the better one? I also agree on it, but it doesn't matter to me if a group is doing it or not. The majority, what I think the best way to say, I don't wait, watch someone join me. It's good, not, it's up to you. I do what's required, so I would be able to reach much more audiences, and much more people can watch and learn. And even if they don't learn, maybe they might see and watch and take a bit of tips from me here and there. It might surely help in life, whether it's corporate life or whether it's family life, social life. Whatever I know of, I will share, as I'm not a master in anything, just living life. And I feel my stress buster is speaking. Whenever I'm stressed, I talk a lot, but myself. Nobody knows I talk a lot, but usually I'm in the car, I talk. If I'm walking, I talk to myself. I talk a lot, but with myself mostly. So why don't I use this YouTube as a platform, and I can share some good, something positive which could help someone. And I hope video helps you. And whatever it is in life, start early, get married early, have kids early, save money early, but depends on life also. It's not necessary that start early by not taking action, something that should be done now. At the end, what matters is if you have a happy life, you have a happy family, that's what matters. And the most important is if you have good health. That's it for the day. Subscribe and share and comment on my channel. If there is anything else you want to know or you want me to share with you, put it in the comments. Good day.